Hi friends, welcome to TruthsCorner.com videos. How much baking soda is safe to use daily? 1 teaspoon of baking soda in the morning and empty stomach is recommended for several health benefits. However, care should be taken to use the appropriate quantity of baking soda only. Use of higher quantity of baking soda may poison some of your organs and body systems and result in problems like diarrhea, vomiting and gas. Sometimes it may result in kidney failure, dehydration, seizures, etc. When you take high amount of baking soda, the body tries to correct the sodium concentration by pulling more water into your digestive tract, can result in vomiting and diarrhea. If you drink small amounts of baking soda, it is not dangerous. In the case of adults, this provides relief from indigestion. However, drinking baking soda is not recommended for long-term use or during pregnancy, and it is not advisable in the case of children. Long-term use and use in higher dosage of this compound may result in deficiency of potassium in the blood, which is known as hypokalemia, and chloride deficiency in the blood known as hypochloremia. It may also result in the rise in sodium levels known as hypernatremia. Helps maintain the pH of the stomach of healthy level. 1 teaspoon of baking soda as the first thing in the morning may help those who have gastrointestinal issues or who are simply trying to live better lives. The stomach's pH at healthy level, which in turn will lead to better absorption of nutrients, reduced acid reflux and regular bowel movements. Helps increase blood flow. A person's life expectancy may drastically decrease if the heart is injured. It has been stated that consuming 1 teaspoon of baking soda within 8 ounces of water may increase blood flow. Helps control stomach pain due to gas. If there is stomach pain due to gas rather than inflammation, a mixture of 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 4 to 6 ounces of water may help. Gas and bloating may be elevated when digestion is normalized by restoring the body's acidity to normal or pH to neutral levels. Can control acid reflux. Those who have chronic acid reflux may find relief by making certain dietary adjustments. A mixture of half a teaspoon of baking soda and half a cup of water may be consumed to fast elevate acid reflux systems. Baking soda can be externally used for several other purposes also. Let's have a look. Can be used to control unpleasant smells. Due to its antibacterial characteristics, baking soda may be useful for neutralizing unpleasant scents in the fridge. Rather than just covering up bad odors, it helps to get rid of the source of the problem. Can be used for air freshening. Unlike commercial air fresheners, which may contain harmful chemicals, baking soda has no side effects and may effectively eliminate undesirable scents. Can be used as a good cleaning agent. It's a good idea to have baking soda on hand since it can be used to clean almost everything. It has been suggested that an acid like lemon juice or vinegar may be used to thwart of development of mold and germ. To make a paste, combine baking soda powder with the juice of 1 lemon and a little water. After applying the paste, clean the area with a sponge or cloth. It can be used as a face exfoliant. It can be used to remove dead skin and exfoliate your skin. Mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda with some drops of water to make a paste. Apply it on your face and massage gently. Rinse with water after massaging. You may apply a face moisturizer after washing your face to prevent your skin with drying out. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.